Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing a new Febreze Car Air Freshener. Check this out, check this out. Limited edition, new. Let's go, watermelon scent. I wish you guys could smell this through the YouTube channel. Smells amazing. Perfect for summertime. You know, summertime vibes now. 2 per pack, limited edition. Watermelon sales going on now in the stores. Formulated with no dyes. Let's go. All right. Oh. All right, here's what it looks like. So how you activate it is you snap this all the way up. I'll do it when I put it in my car. And adjustment for the strength level. High, medium, low. So these last about, I'd say like a month or so, but yeah, you gotta keep the car fresh during summertime. Cool, that's it. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you're all doing well. Have a great summer, and please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Later.